I got it.
One small fucking mistake and I'm going to jail? Can you believe it? You know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna turn myself in. Right now. I'm going to be one with nature. I'm going to back where I came from, back where I need to be. Becoming one with nature. We need to cleanse ourselves of this evil. We just need to be in the trees where we were born, where God birthed us. What am I going to need this stuff for? These might be useful. Nah.
Wait! You're gonna need those.
Doesn't even matter. All you really need for a fire is sticks. Dry as a bone, a lot of them. Quite easy. Must be some issue. Can you start a fire? Over there is a white-tailed deer. Very meaty, but it's not important. What's important is how you hunt it. What you have to do is you have to be one thing, you have to be precise. Do you know what deer call sounds like? No, you don't. I need silence. This is important.
I think you should just turn yourself in, man.
I would prefer not to. What if they call me Nature Man? Nature Man, that's it. That's the one. Nature Man. Nature Man. Nature Man. Nature Man. Nature Man. Nature Man. If a coyote came up to me right now, first thing I do, break its snout. That's a weakness. Next, punch it in the eye. Blindness, blood, squirting out. Neck broke, finish it off. Lots of meat, lots of pelt. Perfect. Easy dinner.
Alright, I think that's enough filming.
No, it's not. I need more time.
I'm turning it off.
No!